Oh my God!
Eating that lure. Jesus Christ!
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Này nó ăn bên tập kêuขึ้นไปเลยเนาะ
Look at that! Oh my gosh! He's gonna scratch my clit! He's gonna scratch my clit! Oh! Oh my God! He just scratched my clit!
Matawa. Súbela. Holy crap. Oh, he's eating the apples from his mouth. He's
Oh God, Pete, your pedal's too close to that one. Sorry.
Take it home. Just bite harder.
Does it hurt?
What's that? Must have got something in his mouth or something? Yeah, his arm. No, come on.
to come out this way. Hopefully my brother could do something. That'd be great.
Yeah, but why can't they come and, like, you know?
Channel 7 News should come right now.
Yeah.
Sheldon Fox in Westchester.
Let's put some Sheldon Fox in there with his suit on and with, like, the several layers that he has.
Alright, I'm gonna jump in there and try to get him out, guys.
No!
Oh, he's f***ing on. He's f***ing on. Oh! Oh, he's gonna come up. Oh, he's going hard. Oh, shit. Get out of there, son.
Here we go. You've eaten that lure. Jesus Christ! Holy moly! Right in the corner of the jaw.
മര്യാദയ്ക്ക് പറഞ്ഞ